Hello, and welcome back to another video. In this video, you'll find out how you can create thumbnails faster with Canva for free in 2025. If you're looking to bring efficiency to your workflow, then you can create thumbnails by using the Canva AI option, which provide faster and professional results. So click that subscribe button, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any other browser that you're using and search for Canva. Click on the first link, and you'll be directed to the main page of Canva. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Next thing you'll need to do is go ahead and click on Canva AI from the left bar menu, or just choose the option here. This is where you can use AI to create thumbnails for you with just a prompt. Choose Design for me from the options, then Social Media, and in the format, go ahead and select YouTube thumbnail. Next thing you'll need to do is add in the prompt. Just add in all the details about the idea and concept of the video and the type of thumbnail you want. Go as deep and detailed as you want because it will help in creating a better product. Just for an example, I'm going to go simple like top 10 greatest football moments. I'm also going to prompt it to keep professional and intriguing. Once you're done writing your prompt, click on Enter. Canva AI will take a few moments and then create multiple thumbnails for you according to your prompt. You can choose whatever suits the best for you. You can even ask for any changes by just writing it in the bottom. Choose the thumbnail that you find the best, and you can even edit it if you want. Click on Use Canva Editor, which will direct you to do the Canva Editor. And now you can change the font, colors, pictures, effects, and tweak anything to the way you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.